Hey foodies, are you craving something crispy, cheesy, and totally guilt-free? Well, today we're making zucchini fritters, keto-friendly, low-carb, and absolutely irresistible. Trust me, once you try these, you'll never miss carb-loaded snacks again. So, grab your apron, and let's get cooking. Here's what you'll need. 2 medium zucchinis, grated, 1/2 teaspoon salt to draw out moisture, 1/2 cup shredded cheddar cheese, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup almond flour, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 2 tablespoons olive oil, sour cream or Greek yogurt for dipping, optional but highly recommended. Step 1. Prep the zucchini. First things first, grate those zucchinis. Then sprinkle some salt over them and let them sit for 10 minutes. Why? Because zucchini is sneaky. It holds a lot of water, and we don't want soggy fritters. After 10 minutes, wrap the zucchini in a clean kitchen towel and squeeze out as much liquid as possible. Seriously, squeeze like it owes you money. Step 2, mix it up. Now in a large bowl, combine the grated zucchini with cheddar cheese, Parmesan, eggs, almond flour, garlic powder, and black pepper. Stir it all up until you have a thick, cheesy batter. If it looks too runny, just add a little more almond flour. Step 3. Time to fry. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Now, using a spoon, scoop out some batter and flatten it into a small pancake shape in the pan. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes per side until golden brown and crispy. Pro tip: don't overcrowd the pan. Give your fritters some breathing room. Step 4. Serve and enjoy. Look at these golden, cheesy, crispy beauties. Serve them hot with sour cream or Greek yogurt for dipping. And boom, you've got yourself the ultimate keto snack. Bonus tip: you can even meal prep these and reheat them in an air fryer for that fresh out the pan crunch. Guys, these are seriously so good. If you're looking for a fun way to eat more veggies without even realizing it, this is it. Want the full printable recipe? Click the link in the description to grab it now. Question of the day: what's your favorite way to eat zucchini? Tell me in the comments below. Let's swap ideas. Don't forget, if you love this recipe, show some love. Like this video, share with your foodie friends. Subscribe to Keto Challenge Easy for more delicious, easy keto recipes every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy keto cooking!